am Danish. Today we are going to learn a trick on arithmetic progression. If you are watching our channel for the first time, do subscribe to our channel for more matrix, mythological stories, English classes, phonetic classics, etc. Okay, let's start the trick. One note is here. These tricks works for the question which is in the form like if a pth term, let's take it as p. If a pth term of an AP is 1 by p and the qth term of an AP is 1 by q, then find the rth term. Okay. First I will do normal or traditional method. Note the time, how much time it takes, and I will tell the trick also. Okay, let's start our video. Do watch our video till the end to know the trick. Given is,
So firstly you are solving the problem in traditional method, sir?
yeah, T5, fifth term is 1 by 5 and T8, eighth term is 1 by 8. This is the given what we know, and we know that a formula called nth term of an AP Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We know that formula of arithmetic progression nth term. Let's compare this and this equation. T5 equal to a. We don't know the a, that is the first term. N we given as 5. 5 minus 1. We don't know the d, that is common difference. So T5 is given as 1 by 5. 1 by 5 equal to a plus 5 minus 1, 4d. So we get it as, let's make it as equation 1. Okay, let's do the same for this one also. T8 equal to a, we don't know, plus n. 8 minus 1 into d. T8 we given as 1 by 8 a plus 7d. Let's make it as equation 2. Let's simplify 1 and 2 to know the common difference. 1 by 8 equal to, yeah, here is the one. 1 by 5 equal to a plus 4d. So let's subtract the two cancellation of first term. So 1 by 8 minus 1 by 5 equal to 7 minus 4, 3d. So the LCM becomes 40. 5 minus 8 equal to 3d, minus 3 by 40 equal to 3d. So d becomes minus 3 by 120, that is 1 by 40. It is equal to d becomes minus 1 by 40. We get d as minus 1 by 40. Let's know about a. To know about a, we want to simplify d in this or this equation. So we know equation 1 by 8 equal to a plus, we don't know a, 7 into, we found the d as minus 1 by 40. So 1 by 8 equal to a plus minus 1 by 40. 1 by 8 equal to a minus 7 by 40. So 1 by 8 plus 7 by 40 equal to a. So let's simplify this to get a. So LCM becomes 40. 8 5s are 40 plus 41. 1 into 7, 7. 5 plus 7 equal to 8. 12 by 40 equal to 8. So 6, 20, 3, 10. So A becomes 3 by 10. A becomes 3 by 10 and D becomes 1 by minus 1 by 40. 1 by 10 కదా 3 by 10 కదా 3 by 10 D వచ్చి minus 1 by 40. So we want to find the 25th term. So we use the formula of nth term as we used this before also. This is the formula of nth term. So we want 25th term. So 2t25 equal to A. We get it as 3 by 10 plus n 25 minus 1 into D minus 1 by 40. So 3 by 10 24 into minus 1 minus 24 by 40. So if we cancel this 1 2 2 0 6 10. So we get 3 minus 10 3 by 10 minus 6 by 10. So we get it as 3 minus 6 by 10. So minus 3 by 10. Yeah, that T25th term of the AP is minus 3 by 10. So this is the answer by normal method. Let's do it by the trick. The trick is P plus Q minus R by PQ. P we take it as 5, Q we take it as 8, R we take it as 25. So P 5 plus Q 8 minus 25 by PQ, that is equal to 5 into 8 40. 13 minus 25 by 40, that is equal to minus 12 by 40. 3 4s are minus 12. 4 3s are 4 10s are, it is equal to minus 3 by 10. Yeah, the correct answer we got by the trick and the verification. So by this trick we can get it in 10 to 20 seconds only. By this normal method we want to get it in 6 to 7 minutes as you calculated the time. So if you like the video, do like, share, subscribe. And this trick is known as Voda trick. If you want to download the app, there is a link in description.